Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 32. Which of the following are intermediate products? A. Cement and steel. B. Furniture and shirt. C. Handkerchief and shoe. D. Table and door. So the concept here is intermediate products, and intermediate products are products that might require further processing before they are sellable to the ultimate consumer. So intermediate products are basically just products that may require one or more forms of processing, further processing, before they will be useful or sold to the ultimate consumer. So let's look at each of the options and see which one falls under this description. Now, cement and steel can actually be classified as intermediate products because they might require further processing before they are eventually sold to the ultimate consumer. Now, cement, not every consumer requires cement the way it is, so it might actually have to be processed into, let's say, blocks, or for even higher purposes might be used in the construction of houses before those houses are sold or rented out to consumers. Likewise, a normal bar of steel may not be useful to every other consumer, but once it is processed into, let's say, forms that may be useful to man, let's say used in the construction of cars, so that car now is sellable to an ultimate consumer. So option A, cement and steel, is the correct answer to this question, as cement and steel are intermediate products. The other options, look at B, furniture and shirts, do not require further processing before they are sold. You buy a shirt the way it is and you use it that way. Likewise, furniture, you buy chairs, tables the way they are and use them the way they are. Handkerchief and shoes as well, and also tables and doors. So as we have rightly explained, cement and steel are intermediate products. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.